If you're wondering how to use the eraser in Krita, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to erase in Krita, plus a better method if you want a dedicated eraser that stays consistent no matter which brush you're using. This is perfect for beginners, digital painters, and anyone who wants a clean, simple workflow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. The quickest way to erase in Krita is by using the same brush you already have selected and switching it into erase mode. To do that, just press E on your keyboard. That one shortcut toggles your current brush into eraser mode. Once it's active, you can paint directly on your canvas and anything you brush over will be erased instead of drawn. This is really useful because you don't have to stop and hunt for a separate eraser tool every time you want to make a quick correction. So after pressing E, go ahead and draw over the area you want to remove. You'll see the brush behave like an eraser, letting you clean up edges, remove mistakes, or refine your artwork with ease. If you want to switch back to normal painting mode, just press E again. That toggles the same brush right back into regular paint mode, so you can continue drawing without changing tools manually. This makes E one of the most convenient shortcuts to remember in Krita. Now, if you want a more dedicated eraser, especially one with a clean, hard edge that stays consistent regardless of the brush you're currently using, Krita has a great option for that too. First, press B to activate your standard brush tool. Then press F6 to open the Brush Presets docker. This panel gives you access to all kinds of preset brushes and erasers, which is especially helpful if you want a specific erasing style rather than just toggling the current brush. Once the Brush Presets docker is open, go to the search bar at the bottom and type eraser. Krita will filter the presets so you can quickly find eraser-specific tools. From the results, look for presets like Eraser Circle or Eraser Hard. These are dedicated erasing brushes that give you a more controlled and predictable eraser shape. If you want crisp cleanup, sharp edges, or a more traditional eraser feel, these presets are usually the best choice. After selecting one of those presets, you can erase with it just like any other brush, but now you'll have a dedicated tool designed specifically for removing parts of your artwork. This can be especially helpful when you're working on detailed illustrations, line art, or pixel clean edges where precision matters, and because it's a preset, you can return to it anytime without needing to switch your current brush into erase mode. So to quickly recap, press E to toggle your current brush into erase mode, paint on the canvas to erase, and press E again to go back to normal painting. If you want a dedicated eraser, press B, then F6, search for eraser, and choose a preset like Eraser Circle or Eraser Hard. That gives you both a fast shortcut and a more advanced erasing option depending on your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.